Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from a Moneylion savings goal. So let's get straight into it. So withdrawing funds from a Moneylion savings goal allows you to access your savings when you need it. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Now, first thing you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using, of course, your email address and your password. And then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the savings section by clicking on the savings tab. Next, you're going to click on withdraw funds, and then you're going to select the savings goal that you want to withdraw the funds from. Next, you want to enter the withdraw amount and confirm the transaction. Now once that's done, you just got to wait for Moneylion to execute the withdrawal. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to withdraw funds from a Moneylion savings goal. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.